Today, we are diving into some valuable tips for selling organic products online in Canada. If you are thinking about entering this booming market, stick around, we've got you covered. Organic products are gaining popularity across Canada. From organic milk in Ontario to organic snacks like chocolate, fruits, nuts, and seeds, there's a wide range of products that Canadians love. Knowing what's popular can help you decide what to sell. Also, it's crucial to understand who your customers are. Here are some key groups. We have millennials who prioritize health and sustainability. University graduates are more aware of health and environmental issues. We also have Albertans, especially in Calgary and Edmonton, and they have higher disposable incomes. We also have families who want the best for their children. Men also are health conscious and increasingly interested in organic products. To sell organic products in Canada, you must meet the Canadian Organic Standards, or the COS. This means certification, which is getting your product certified, and also labeling, which means you use the Canadian Organic logo and follow the labeling guidelines. And lastly, advertising, where you're supposed to be honest and comply with Canadian regulations. Let's talk about building an effective online presence. Your website is your storefront. Hence, make sure it is user-friendly with easy navigation to help customers find what they need quickly. Mobile friendliness to ensure your site works well on mobile devices. Security to protect customer data with strong encryption. High quality images to show your products in the best light, and detailed descriptions to give clear and comprehensive product information. How do you boost visibility with SEO and advertising? To increase your online presence with SEO and online ads, use keywords to improve search engine rankings. When advertising, promote your products on Google, Facebook, Instagram, and others. You can also do content marketing to educate your audience and drive traffic to your site. You can leverage social media and influencer marketing. You can do this by choosing the right platforms like Instagram, which is great for visually appealing content, TikTok, which is perfect for engaging short videos, YouTube, which is excellent for in-depth product reviews, Facebook, which is ideal for community engagement, and X, formerly known as Twitter, which is quick and has engaging updates. Work with influencers who align with your brand to reach a broader audience. Let's talk about managing logistics and supply chain. Keep your inventory fresh with first in, first out, or FIFO, sell order products, which means selling order product first. Inventory tracking, which means using software to monitor stock levels. And quality control, which ensures products are stored properly. Choose reliable shipping partners and use eco-friendly packaging to maintain product quality and show your commitment to the environment. Encourage customer reviews and respond promptly to feedback. Showcasing positive reviews builds trust. Provide excellent customer service by being responsive and transparent about your policies. You can also use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic and sales. Analyze customer behavior to improve your marketing strategies, and stay flexible, adjusting your tactics based on data insights. Selling organic products online in Canada is a great opportunity, but it requires understanding your markets, obtaining the right certifications, and building a strong online presence. Keep your operations smooth with efficient inventory and shipping management, and use data to refine your strategies. Follow these tips and you will be well on your way to success in the Canadian organic market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful online business.